The National Teaching Council has clarified that candidates who are re-sitting for all three papers of the Ghana Teacher Licensure Examination (GTLE) are to pay GHZ 385.00. Also, candidates who are re-sitting a paper of the Ghana Teacher Licensure Examination are to pay GHZ 150.00. The Council again said, candidates who are re-sitting two papers are to pay GHZ 210.00 and candidates who are re-sitting all three papers are to pay GHZ 385.00. Eligibility for the licensure examination. Candidates who wrote the traditional Ghana Teacher Licensure Examination but were unsuccessful in some papers may register to re-sit. The candidates are to apply online at https://exams.ntc.gov.gh/ and complete the application form for the licensure examination. Payment can be made at any branch of Prudential Bank Limited nationwide, or mobile money payment can be made through the short code 77251# across all networks. For in-banking payment, candidates must notify the bank as re-sitting 1, 2 or 3 papers. Take PIN and serial no from the bank after payment. Log on to https://exams.ntc.gov.gh/. Enter your e-voucher serial no and PIN. Fill in all the fields and remember to upload your passport size photograph and PIN. Fill in all the fields and remember to upload your passport size photograph.